Mahashivratri. Mahashivratri is a Hindu festival celebrated annually in honor of the god Shiva. The name also refers to the night when Shiva performs the heavenly dance. There is a Shivaratri in every lunisolar month of the Hindu calendar. On the month's 13th night or 14th day, but once a year in later winter, February or March or Palguna, and before the arrival of summer, marks Mahashivratri, which means the great night of Shiva. It is a major festival in Hinduism, and this festival is solemn and marks a remembrance of overcoming darkness and ignorance. In life and the world, it is observed by the remembering Shiva and chanting prayers, fasting and meditating on ethics and virtues such as honesty, non-injury to others, charity, forgiveness, and the discovery of Shiva. The ardent devotees keep awake all night. Others visit one of the temples or go on pilgrimage to Jyotirlingams. This is an ancient Hindu festival whose origin date is unknown. According to the South Indian calendar, Mahashivratri is observed on Chaturdasi Tithi during Krishna Paksha in the month of Magha, and in other parts of India on 13th or 14th night of Krishna Paksha in Palguna of Hindu calendar. The Gregorian date, however, remaining the same. In Kashmir Shivaism, the festival is called Hararatri, or phonetically simpler Hayat or Harat, by Shiva devotees of the Kashmir region. Mahashivratri is an annual festival dedicated to the Hindu god Shiva and is particularly important in the Shivaism tradition of Hinduism. Unlike most Hindu festivals which are celebrated during the day, the Mahashivratri is celebrated at night. Furthermore, unlike most Hindu festivals which included expansion of cultural revelry, the Mahashivratri is a solemn event notable for its introspective focus, fasting, meditation on Shiva, self-study, social harmony, and an all-night vigil at Shiva temples. The celebration includes maintaining a jagarna, an all-night vigil and prayers. Because Shiva, Hindus mark this night as overcoming darkness and ignorance in one's life and the world through Shiva. Offering of fruits, leaves, sweets, and milk to Shiva are made. Some perform all-day fasting with Vedic or Tantric worship of Shiva, and some perform meditative yoga. In Shiva temples, Om Namah Shivaya, the scared mantra of Shiva, is chanting through the day. Devotees praise Shiva through the recitation of Shiva Chalisa. Mahashivratri is celebrated over 3 or 10 days based on the Hindu lunisolar calendar. Every lunar month there is a Shivaratri. The main festival is called Mahashivratri or Great Shivaratri, which is held on 13th night and 14th day of the month Palguna. In the Gregorian calendar, the day falls in either February or March. The Mahashivratri is maintained in several Puranas, particularly the Skanda Purana, Linga Purana, and Padma Purana. These medieval era Shiva texts present different versions associated with the festival and maintain fasting, reverence for icons of Shiva such as the Lingam. Different legends describe the significance of Mahashivratri. According to one legend in the Shivaism tradition, this is the night when Shiva performs the heavenly dance of creation, preservation and destruction, the chanting of hymns, the reading of Shiva scriptures, and the chorus of devotees join the cosmic dance and remember Shiva's presence everywhere. According to the legend, this is the night when Shiva and Parvati got married. A different legend states that the offering of Shiva icons such as the Linga is an annual occasion to get over past sins of any, to restart on a virtuous path and thereby reach Mount Kailasa and liberation. The significance of dance tradition to this festival has historical roots. The Mahashivratri has served as a historic confluence of artists of annual dance festivals at major Hindu temples such as at Konark, Khajuraho, Pattadikal, Mathura and Chidambaram. This event is called Natyanjali, literally worship through dance, at the Chidambaram temple, which is the famous for its sculpture depicting all dance mudras in the ancient Hindu text of performance arts called Natya Shastra. Similarly, at Khajuraho Shiva temples, a major fair and dance festival on Mahashivratri involving Shiva pilgrims camped over miles around the temple complex was documented by Alexander Cunningham in 1864. Mahashivratri is considered the day when Adiyogi or the first Guru awakened his consciousness at experience takes place and the mind is transcended. The meditator transcends time, space and cashewness. It is symbolizes the brightest night of yogic enlightenment of the soul, and the yogi attains moksha, the final practication of samhita or illumination. Mahashivratri is celebrated in Tamil Nadu with great pomp and fanfare in the Annamalai temple located in Tiruvannamalai district. The special forces of worship on this day is Girivalam Giri Pradakshana, a 14-kilometer bare footwork around Lord Shiva's temple on top of the hill. A hug lamp of oil and campfire is lit on the hilltop at sunset, not to be confused with the Kardiga Deepam. The major Jyotirlinga Shiva temples of India, such as in Varanasi and Somanatha, are particularly frequented on Mahashivratri. They serve also as sites for fairs and special events. In Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, Shivaratri Yatras are held at Mallaya Gutta near Kambhalapalli, Gundlakamma Kona near Railway Koduru, Penchalakona, Bhairavakona, Uma Maheshwara, amongst others. Special pujas are held at Pancharamas, Amararama of Amaravati, Somarama of Bhimavaram, Draksharama, Kumararama of Samarlakota, and Kishararama of Palakullu. The days immediately after Shivaratri are celebrated as Brahmotsavalu at Srisailam, one of the 12 Jyotirlinga sites. Mahashivratri Utchavalu are held at the Rudreshwara Swami's 1000-pillar temple in Varangallu. Devotees throng for the special pujas at Srikalahasti, Mahanandi, Yaganti, Antarvedi, Kattamanchi, Pattisima, Bhairavakona, Hanmakonda, Kisharagutta, Vemulavada, Panagallu, Kolanapaka, amongst others. The Mandi fair is in the town of Mandi is particularly famous as a venue of Mahashivratri celebrations. It transforms the town as devotees pour in. It is believed that gods and goddesses of the area, said to number more than 200, assemble her on the day of Mahashivratri. Mandi, located on the banks of Bays, is properly known as the Cathedral of Temples and one of the oldest towns of Himachal Pradesh, with about 81 temples of different gods and goddesses on its periphery. In Kashmir Shivism, Mahashivratri is celebrated by the Hindus of Kashmir and is called Herat in Kashmir, a word derived from the Sanskriti word Hararatri. The night of Hara Shivaratri, regarded as the most important festival of the community. For instance, is celebrated by them on Trayodashi or the 13th of the dark half of the month of Palguna, and not on Chaturdasi or the 14th as in the rest of the country. The reason for it is that this long drawn festival that is celebrated for one full per night as an elaborate ritual is associated with the appearance of Bhairava as a Jwala Linga or a Linga of flame. It has been described as Brahmotsava in Tantric texts as on this occasion Bhairava and Bhairavi, his Shakti or cosmic energy, are propagated through Tantric worship. According to the legend associated with the origin of the worship, the Linga appeared at Pradhoshakala or the dusk of early night as a blazing cauldron of fire and dazzled